meron din dito. Hindi lang fish pond ang may net. May net din ang mga halaman. So these are all fruits. Berries and something. Then I'm not sure. That's what is very particular. That's gooseberry. Gooseberry. I don't know what they are. That's strawberry. Hi, strawberries. There are a few fruits already. And that's our tomatoes. And these are all fruits. Tree. I don't know which one is apple, and a pear tree, and then cherry. This is a new empty box. I'm not sure what to put in here. Probably kamote. Yay! Getting excited. And I quoted success. Bigla kang sumakses by Ninya Wong. Diba? Look how healthy they are. It's amazing. We didn't use any fertilizers for this. Look how big the leaves are. Really is amazing. It's beautiful to watch. So Ninya Wong success. Kailangan dumaan ka sa step by step the step. So always pray, keep prayer. Diba, Ninya Wong? Oh, it's very healthy. Look, really amazing. It's nice. Bigla kang sumakses, diba? So sabi nga ni Ninya Wong, always pray, keep prayer, and believe in faith para bigla kang sumakses. Wait.